Well, if you've been counting, this is the third video in this number archive series, and guess what? We're talking about the number 3. Number 3 is the second prime number. It's also the only prime number that is next to another prime number, which is 2, which we kind of discussed in the previous episode. It is also the first Mersenne prime number. Mersenne prime is a prime number that can be written in the form of 2 to the power of n minus 1, where n is an integer. In the case of 3, it is written as 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. 3 is also a triangular number. A triangular number is a number that, say you have a certain number of counters, if you can arrange that counter into a nicely shaped equilateral triangle, which each row will have 1, then 2, then 3, in that order, that's a triangle number. And 3, you could do that with it. Something very neat about 3, or more specifically, numbers that divide into 3. You can check if a number divides into 3 by adding up all the digits in that number. And if that number that you add up, you get, divides into 3, then the actual number, the original number, will also divide into 3. This also works for numbers in other bases, where the base will, when divided into 3, will give a remainder of 1. So numbers in base 4, base 7, base 10, which is what we use. And it also works with another number, with another multiple, which we'll discuss later on once we get to that number. 3 is also the atomic number of lithium, which is an element that's mainly used in ceramics and in car batteries. You know, making video makes me realize something, that I'm so lonely, but that's okay. I shaved my head, and if you haven't guessed, yes, that's a lyrics of the song called Lithium by Nirvana. And guess what? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the next number we're talking about. That's in the next episode. I'll see you again soon. Bye.